Many of us have pets in our house. There are many advantages of having pets like, 1. They help you to live longer and have a more healthier life. 2. Pets help you to improve your fitness quotient. 3. Helps you to remove your stress and so on. But according to website WebMD.com, around 4 to 20% US kids get ringworm from pet dogs and cats. One of the major challenges the pet owners face is keeping our house clean, free of pet furs and other germs which are harmful to human beings. Introducing you to a vacuum cleaner Dyson V8, which helps you in deep cleaning your indoors. Amazon gives you free product support over phone for 90 days. Deep cleans your home. Whole machine filtration captures allergens, and expels cleaner air than the air you breathe. The vacuum cleaner is cord-free, hassle-free, and it is fitted with a lifelong washable filter. The cleaner works up to 40 minutes. It takes 4.5 hours to completely recharge the cleaner. It is lightweight and versatile and easy for cleaning your home. Powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V8. The vacuum cleaner is engineered to pick up ground in dirt and fine dust from hard floors and carpets. The vacuum cleaner comes with more than 1,000 five-star customer ratings. The vacuum cleaner requires 1 lithium metal batteries. Product details. A. The product dimensions are 8.2 by 9.8 by 49 inches. B. The vacuum cleaner weighs 5.64 pounds and comes with a user manual. C. The ASIN number the product is B06XG7WKKL. D. The manufacturer notifies Proposition 65 warning for residents of California. E. The product has a price tag of $299, thereby you save around 40%. F. The product comes with 2 years warranty. The machine is warranted against material defect and workmanship defects. After you have bought the product, register yourself as a product owner to get a smooth after-sales service. There are 3 models of the Dyson vacuum cleaner depending upon the runtime and bin size. 1. Dyson V8 Animal, having runtime up to 40 minutes and bin size of 0.14 gallons respectively. 2. Dyson V11 Animal, having a runtime up to 60 minutes and bin size of 0.20 gallons. 3. Dyson V11 Torque Drive, having a runtime up to 60 minutes and bin size of 0.20 gallons. Please share your experience, how you keep your house clean. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Click the link below in the description to procure the product.